This video is about Canva text portraits. In this video, we will see how to add word cloud text portrait in Canva. So let's start. Open a blank video page, change its background to black. Click on apps. Then in search box, search for text shape. Select this app. You will see this kind of preview. Click on keyword color, select white. In the supporting words box, write some text. Like this, and then in the supporting word color, select white. Change these colors to white. From here, under advanced, for layout, select value 1. Add, click on add to design. Text pattern will be added. Duplicate this shape and place like this. Duplicate this and fill the entire page like this. Now click on share, download, select PNG and then download. It will be downloaded. Now add another page with background black. Go to elements, select some image. Increase its size to the size of the page. Remove background using BG remover. Now it will look like this. Click on download. Select PNG. Select this page and then download. It will be downloaded. Now add another page and upload the downloaded image. Upload both the images that were downloaded. Now select this image. Click on apps. In search box, search for blend image. Click on this app. Select this image. In the top layer, select this image. In the bottom one, select this image. In the blend mode, select multi. Click on add to design. Now it will be added here. Now increase its size. Now click on edit. Select flint, reduce its intensity. Under warm, select latte, then select under vintage, select this one, select antique, Now it will look like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.